Nature is like a vast treasure trove, filled with mysteries and surprises that make it irresistibly captivating. But without solid proof, it's hard for many to fully believe these incredible stories. No worries though. Today, Bewondered will present some compelling evidence, opening the door to the wonders of the natural world.
Get over it! Damn.
That girl's hair standing on end might seem like a sign of lightning, but it's actually static from a nearby air exhaust system. And check this out, the marine iguana, the only amphibious predator, can dive up to 30 meters and hold its breath underwater for 30 to 40 minutes. Marine iguanas are believed to have evolved from terrestrial iguanas about 4.5 million years ago.
That is so close.
You can see trash like that flying around. Yeah, it's really cool.
Wow. Have you ever seen anything like this? Me neither.
Maybe one time when I was a child at the lake. That's about it.
Yeah, I think I at El Dorado when I was a kid too.
I got stuck out on the
Small
lake.
one.
And when nature throws surprises at us, safety becomes a priority. Everyone needs to evacuate as these events could reoccur. The tree of life in Madagascar is a marvel, its unique form shaped by the fungus species Lagiodiplodio theobrome. Unfortunately, this beauty comes at the cost of the tree's decreasing lifespan.
Heather!
Hurry! Hurry, get it, please! Please, I can't!
Is this a rock or dry soil? Well, it's actually a brittle rock that easily shatters into smaller pieces. After a night of tireless work, the webs of millions of spiders merge into a stunning masterpiece. The Great Smoky Mountains are home to 19 species of fireflies, but their numbers are dwindling. due to the pollution.
It's a tornado, and I cannot tell which way it is going, but I don't really know what to do except just sit here. It's coming right. It is coming right over the top of me. Oh, that is scary. Oh my gosh. Ooh, look at that.
During migration, thousands of birds rest at Delray Beach, Florida. It's a sight that's hard to believe without a camera. And don't miss the fascinating pockets of air hidden underwater. Creating an illusion of holes in the sea. Bogdanovich Ice River in Kazakhstan is a must-visit tourist spot. On January 29, 2020, Houston witnessed an unusual invasion. Thousands of sparrows took over a parking lot. Meanwhile, Papua's Diggle River hosts the Erie Ghost Wave, which appears when the distance between Earth and the Moon is at shortest. This is definitely not a place for faint-hearted. The Chelyabinsk meteor of 2013 was the best documented meteor fall, weighing 11 tons and crossing the Russian sky. For those who are allergic to pollen, this video is a nightmare. So much pollen that it forms a massive cloud. After a rainfall, even grass stores surprising amounts of water. Termite mounds might seem like simple piles, but they are architectural wonders made from dung and saliva, complete with ventilation system and nurseries for the young termites. A nature's work of art. It's the Fraser River, mixing with the Pacific. The reason it's so brown is because the Fraser carries a lot of sediment with it into the ocean. Mauna Loa volcano has been continuously active. Producing enough lava to fill entire regions. Boundary caused by a cliff creates a divide in weather patterns, showing two opposing states of climate. Every year, millions of dolphins migrate in search of new food sources. And here's a rare sight. This is 1 in a million video, and congratulations, your cuteness caught our attentions. I wonder what the taste of water at the deepest level under the ocean is like. Let's see how this rock creates water ripples. Creating a wonderful display of burning gas. The methane bubbles were punctured and lit on fire by skaters. A scientist from Oregon found a transparent sea creature called Cystosoma. They are like a parasitic species of producing up to 600 eggs at once. Have you ever seen blue lava? This blue lava formed by the interaction of sulfur and oxygen at 360 degrees Celsius around the volcano. The high salt in the lake allowed the guide to enjoy relaxing without knowing how to swim. Some of the rocks on this beach could be 20 million years old as scalp fossils. In the quiet night sky over Russia, a bright flash ignited the sky. Was it a meteor or a UFO? The appearance of giant snow rolls is rare in extremely cold conditions. It's the wind that plays a crucial role in shaping the snow into these round rolls. Do you want to see how a new island is formed? Watch this amazing show that Mother Nature has organized in the middle of the Pacific Ocean in Solomon Islands. If you are a sea lover, I highly recommend to explore on Komodo Island. An army of ants defending their colony against invaders of other species. Sol de Minana in Bolivia is a geothermal wonder. With boiling mud pools and steam winds. Capturing the aurora boreals is like watching a DJ light up the sky with colorful visuals. If you come around aurora up close, consider yourself very lucky. This spider condition is very serious as it is in the final stage of fungal infection. On Mocha Island's coast, you can even set the sea on fire due to methane gas wells beneath the surface. Meanwhile, Dubai's artificial rain has caused unexpected consequences. The vortex clouds you are observing are formed when air pressure passes over a volcano or island. It's also known as Van Karman Vortex Street.
Craziest thing that's ever happened. The transparent kayak is making the whales act so weird. It's just come up and put its tail up in the air like that. It's not even, I don't even know what to say anymore. Oh, and the little baby's just swimming around it. Is it, look at it, it's a huge whale tail right in front of me.
Did you see that crow on the hood of that car? That was my favorite part. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel and give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.